We, in the prior video, ended up with this really nice controller class, ingredient controller class, and all the routes and the templates that we need. And I even forgot that to show you that it registered the route, but it registered the route in the dunder init down here. I've removed everything, so because when we did that, um, we noticed in the models there was no model there. And I did that intentionally. There may be some reason that you needed the controller class all credit out for whatever reason, but you already had the model, or um, you didn't need the model. So I left that as a optional flag, which you just tack on the end, and you can explicitly tell the model, or you can have it infer the model based on the controller class. So we'll do both, just so you can see how that works. And right now I'm getting my 404 error, so we'll go back here and I'm at the same route I was last time, the create page for ingredients. So let's go over here. And just so you know, I'm not like pulling the wool over your eyes here and making things between videos. In models, there's no ingredient model. So we'll just keep that open so that you can see it pop in when we write our command. So we'll come over here, we'll clear the screen, bring it back to the top. All right, so we're going to do Flask make, and then let's a little bit bigger for ourselves. Okay, Flask make controller ingredient. Try to spell that right. Ingredient. Now, capitalize ingredient because we're making a controller class. Ingredient controller minus minus crud, which is what we ran last time, and then we'll just put minus m at the end. Well, let's actually make the model. So it will be two minuses, minus minus model, and then the model name. Now you can put whatever you want here. I'm going to go with ingredient, keep everything consistent. But you can type in whatever you want here. I just follow the convention that I singularize models, and I'm thinking of just like we have the controller class, this is the model class, which would be a capital. Okay, so I'll press enter, and there's your ingredient model that popped in right here. Our URL just came back to life. That's great. And if we go into our ingredient model, which I just saw here, there we go. We're going to see just the same thing I've showed in several other videos, just a basic stubbed out example of a model which has an ID, a created it, and an updated it. And these, it's just ready for you to add in all your metadata. All right, just so you can see it, because I failed to show you last time, we did register this ingredient model with the app, so that blueprint is registered, which is one of the, I mean, this wires up all the things that you need it to wire up so that you can just get back to what you need to do, which is write your logic for your controller so your app can do what it needs to do. All right, so let's do this. Let's show this with the generator flag. So the generator flag, let's just say it here, clear. The generator flag is just, instead of two minuses, just one minus m. And so what that will do is that will infer the model name from the controller. So if I just go in here let's see. So we'll delete ingredient controller. We will clear the reference from the controller on ingredient controller. All right. We will see it's not finding things now. We'll go in here and delete the model. It's kind of good to do this so you know that what everything that got made. We'll greet the routes and we'll come in and we'll go to templates. We'll delete the templates and we'll go to dunder init and we'll delete the reference here. So there's a lot of stuff that we just had to remove because with this one command, Flask make controller, and then ingredient controller, that a priori, I'll agree, doesn't do a terrible amount of much. But once you add in the CRUD option and then the generator flag for model, boom, you have your model back. Ingredients, you have all your routes back. It's just so pretty. All right. We will move on from controllers, I believe, and to the last Flask make command.